God's bologna sandwich you can't just get hands on. You gotta rock, roll, and run. So again, everything that you've been coached to do, continue to do it. You follow me?
Yes, coach.
Go, fast, fast, fast. So I'm trying to over-communicate. And believe. Believe. Believe is the word that we have to be about. Believe. Believe. If you don't believe, don't walk your tail out that door. Don't walk your tail out that door. We, our team, this team, us, we're good enough to take care of business. You follow me?
Yes, coach.
But you gotta believe from start to finish, whether there's up, whether there's down, whether there's a straight line, whatever it may be. Find a way when it says 0-0 for us to be on the right side. Touch somebody.